Okay, our subtopic in which we are going to discuss is about calculation of hypotenuse by using Pythagoras theorem. Now, in the previous lesson, we learned about who was Pythagoras. Now, who can remind us who is Pythagoras? Who can remind us? Aren?
A Greek mathematician.
Greek mathematician. Is actually a Greek mathematician, but what works did he do? Karen, what work did he do?
He provides the relationship between the sides of the right angle triangle.
Yes, he provided the relationship between the sides of right angle triangle. Okay, claps for her. Okay, now that is the Pythagoras. Now let us calculate it. Now consider a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle below. Like this one. When we say right angled triangle, is a triangle which looks like this one. It must have a right angle, which has got how many degrees? Angel? 90 degrees. It has got 90 degrees. Now, a triangle which we are looking in the Pythagoras theorem is like that one. And it has how many sides? How many sides does this right angled triangle have? How many sides? Precious. 3 sides. Now consider, maybe it is A, then this is point B, then this is C. Understood? It has 3 sides. Okay, we have this side which we call it base, and this we call it height, and this we call it hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Now we have 3 sides: base, height, and hypotenuse. Now, Pythagoras used this right angled triangle in order to find the relationship between 3 sides of a triangle, as you can see. Now, in order to develop the relationship in this right angled triangle, it is better we indicate these sides by using letters, right? Now let base length actually it is BC. We present like this one, BC. Let us call it letter A, a small a. This one. Now let's BC. This is the base. Let us call it A. And the length AB. This is the height length. We call it AB. AB, we indicate like this one. AB, length like this one. Is equal to, let us call it B. Understood it? Now, the hypotenuse, which is the longer side. Hypotenuse length, which is AC. Length AC, we call it C, like that one, small c. Now, our triangle will be like this one. Our triangle now will be like this one. Instead of writing hypotenuse, base or height, we use like this one. like this one. Make sure you indicate it is a right angle triangle. Now, we said base BC is equal to A. Now, we assign it as side A. Now, this indicates the distance from this point to this point. It is A, B, C. Now, this is A, which is the base. Height AB. Height, this one, AB. AB is equal to B. Now, this is B. This means the distance from point A, this one, to point E, the point B. And this one is C, hypotenuse, which means is the distance from point E, from point A to point E, to point C. Understood now? Yes. Now, Pythagoras derived the formula which will help you to find to calculate the distance, the shortest distance between point A and point B. Because this relationship was derived because maybe, suppose you're a student, maybe you want to go, maybe you're starting point in this point, then you want to reach point A. Or you're coming from point A, then you want to reach point C. Therefore, there are two routes. There is this one route. You pass through via point B to point C. But because in order to save time, Pythagoras derived the formula, which will help you. Instead of passing through this point from point A, point B, then point C, you are supposed to go directly from point A to point C. Now, that's the formula we are using. Now, Pythagoras theorem states that whenever three sides of a triangle are base, height, and hypotenuse, the relationship can be derived as you take base square, you plus height square is equal to hypotenuse square. But remember, we said base is equal to A. This is the base. And the height is equal to B. And the C is equal to hypotenuse. When this base, height, and hypotenuse are squared, now this is the shortest distance. You repeat, A square plus B square is equal to C square. Now that is the relationship of the right angled triangle. Now that formula will help you to solve different questions about right angled triangle. Now this is our formula. That's our formula. This is our formula. Now this will help you to solve. Maybe you have been given the right angle triangle like this one. You have not been given the hypotenuse, given base and the height. Therefore, that formula will help you to solve the range of hypotenuse. Understood it?
Yes.
Okay, example. Example. For example, find the value of y in the following right angled triangle. Can you see our question? This is the right angled triangle. Then you have been given, okay. Before proceeding, What is given there in our right angle triangle? What is given there? What is given there? We got it. What is given there? We have been given the 80. 80 is equal to how much? 9 centimeter. And the base?
12 centimeters.
Okay. Grabs for her. Okay. Because that is not enough. Now, given. What is given there? Given. Base is equal to how much? How much? Base is equal to how much?
12 centimeters.
12 centimeter. And the height is equal to how much?
9 centimeters.
Height is equal to 9 centimeter. What is required there? What is required? Angel, what is required?
We are required to find hypotenuse.
Yes, we are required to find the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Now, hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, which is equal to y. Will be equal to how much? Understood? Understood? You write it from the formula, from the Pythagoras theorem. What's the formula? Pythagoras theorem, Yes, from Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, which says a square plus b square is equal to how much? Is equal to c square. Remember, I told you, base is indicated by using which letter? Base. Which letter, precious? It is A. Now, A stands for base. Then B. What do you got now? Stands for? For height. And the C stands for? For hypotenuse. Now, because you have been required to find the value of y, then y stands for will be C, right? Now, A is equal to how much? Now, you substitute it. You make substitution. A is equal to base, which is equal to how much? 12 centimeter. Now, B is equal to how much? 9 centimeter. C is equal to how much? Is equal to y, because C is the hypotenuse of this one. Hypotenuse. Now C is equivalent to hypotenuse, which is that one C. Then you make substitution. Now A square. In the place of y, you substitute its value. Now A is 12. Now you put 12. Remember this is centimeter. Now it will be 12 centimeter. Then it square. Square. You plus with B. What's the B? 9 centimeter. Then square is equal to how much? C. Which is C? Y square. But remember what I said? I'm centimeters. Now, 12 centimeter squares is equal to how much? The number is multiplied by itself. Is multiplied by itself. Now, what do you mean? 12 centimeter times 12 centimeter is equal to how much?
104
Yes, you multiply by itself. Now, you get 12 times 12 is equal to 144. 144. But remember, centimeter times centimeter is equal to centimeter square. Now, it will be centimeter square. Plus 9 times 9. 9 is equal to 81. Centimeter times centimeter square is equal to y square. Then you add it. Then you add 144. 144 minus 81 is equal to how much? Here. 225, right? Yes. Now it will be 225 centimeter square is equal to how much? Y square. Remember, our aim is to solve the value of y, not y square. Therefore, we ended there. 225 centimeter square is equal to y square. But our aim is to find the value of y. What do we do now? Sandra?
We find the square root of 225 centimeters.
Yes, we are required to find the square root of 225 centimeter square. Grabs for. Okay. You introduce square root like this one. Now you put square root like this one. Square root both sides. Now this 2 and this one you will cancel out, right?
Yes.
Then you find square root of 225. You find its square root. Okay. You find its square root. Square root. Okay. In finding its square root, first of all, you have to know what your number. You group 2 digits from the right toward the left, right?
Yes.
Now we count 2 digits. Now this is 1, 2. Then you count. You put a comma like that one. Understood it?
Yes.
Now you start it. Which number which multiplied by itself it becomes 2 or nearby? Eh? And
1.
yes, there's a 1. Okay. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. You put here 1. Then you minus. 2 minus 1. Eh? Is equal to
1.
it is 1. 1. Understood it?
Yes.
Then the same number which is here, you multiply it by 2. Now we take 1 times how much? Times 2 is equal to how much? 1 times 2 is equal to 2. You put here 2. Understood it?
Yes.
Then you drop the remaining 2 digits like this one. Now you drop them together. Now it will be 25. Now it is no longer 1. It is how much? 125. Now, remember, you took 1 times 2, you get 2. Then you find which number, if I put here and I multiply with the same number, the answer becomes this one or nearby. Which number? You keep on trying. Which number? I mean,
By 5.
by 5. Okay, because you're not sure, let us try. By 5. He said by 5. Okay, you take this 2. Then you put here 5. Remember, the number which you put here must be multiplied by itself. Then you put here 5. Then you multiply. If the answer becomes this one, nearby. Now, 5 times 5.
25.
That's 5. We get it 2, right? Now, 5 times 2. 10 plus 2.
12.
12. Oh, correct. Now, by 5. That 5 we put it here. Then you multiply by how much? By 5. 5 times 5. 25. We get it 2. 5 times 2. 10 plus 2.
12.
12. Now become 125 like this one. If we minus over. Now, the square root of 225 is equal to how much? 15. Now, would it be 15? Remember, square root of centimeter square. Remember, centimeter square. Once you find the square root, it becomes centimeter. Right? Yes. Now, 15 centimeter. Would it be equal to how much? Would it be equal to y? Now, 15 centimeter is equal to y. Now, y is equal to how much? 15 centimeter. You interchange it. Now, y is equal to how much? 15 centimeter. You underline your answer like this one by using 2 lines. Understood it now?
Yes.
Okay, any question? Any question? Any question? Who is having a question? Understood it?
Yes.
Understood it?
Yes.
Okay, that's it how. Now, I'm giving you a question. I'm giving you a question. Okay, do this question. In drawing, make sure you use a pencil. And then you must finish it.
to c square. Now to our diagram, 8 is plus 8 is 8 plus b is equal to c square. The square 8 square. Square means that we take the number and multiply by itself. So we take 8 times 8, which will be 64, plus 15. We take 15 times 15, it will be 225, is equal to c square. We are taking 225 plus 64. 5 plus 4, 9. 6 plus 2, 8. 2 plus 0, 2. So it is 289. Now we are finding the square root of 289. So it will be by 1. Take 1 times 2 will be 2. So 1 times 1 will be 1. So minus will be 1. By dropping two numbers at the same time. Now we are testing the number. Which number if we put here, and if we multiply by itself, it will bring 189. Now we are taking 2 with 7 times 7. 7 times 7, 49, 34. 7 times 2, 14. 14 plus 4, be 18. So here is 7. 189. So minus be all. So C will be 17 meters.
Okay, good. Okay, all of you got right. Okay, claps for yourself. Okay, I think the lesson is well understood, right?
Yes.
Now, no problem. I'll give you an exercise. You will do these 3 questions. Then you will proceed in the next lesson, right?
Yes.
Our session is over. Thank you for your participation and welcome again.
Thank you, sir, for teaching us well.